Winnebago.
Don't get out of your car. We're going to need a ambulance. There's a big pileup. I just got rear-ended. I'm on 41. The last exit I remember passing is Winneconne by Walmart, and people, they're like it's still happening. People are still getting slammed into and getting out of their cars and
like. Okay, 41 southbound. Are you kind of right by like the trailer sales place there, and like there's a
barn with 3 silos on my right, and I see the MChetty sales sign on my left. Like you're gonna have to close the whole highway down.
Are you injured at all, ma'am?
I'm not getting out of my car right now because I'm afraid I'm gonna get hit.
I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming to you. All right. Keep talking to me. Okay. I'm coming. Keep talking to me. What's your name?
And now it's like everybody's starting to stop. Oh, here's another. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah, we're okay. Everybody's just crashing into us because we're like stopped on the side.
Wisconsin. It's a Volkswagen 272 George Zebra John 272 JZJ. Wisconsin. Edward Charles 4718 4718.
Coming to you. Did they hit you? I'm sorry, what?
Okay, did they hit your car or did they hit another car?
Everybody is hitting everybody else's cars. Everybody is, it's just a big pile up right now.
Can I help you?
Help, I'm on the highway. There's a huge accident, a huge pile. I'm so scared.
Okay, take a deep breath. Where are you?
I'm on, hang on. There's a huge pile of people. I'm on 41.
Ma'am.
Yeah, we just stopped the dog out of here.